Hello everyone, this is Mashwasta. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Cat.in. So today we will see this sweep boss base feature. Now sweep feature is basically a extrusion which is going to be along a path. So let's get started. So as I said that sweep is something that we will use to extrude a sketch or loop along a path. So let's just say that we have this path and the condition of sweep is that we have to create a path in a single sketch. So this is our path. We will complete the sketch and the path we have created this. Now we need a sketch we will go that is going to be extrude along this path. Okay, which will follow this path. So the sketch or the profile that is going to follow this path should be normal to the end of the end point of this path. So this is the first end, this is the second end point. Or you can also use the between intersection points, but let's just take this and take care of this endpoints. So we have created this path in front plane, so we already know that the next normal plane will be the top plane for this point, but for right plane I think it is not actually normal to this, so we have to create a normal plane which is normal to this line and this point. Okay, but we will create this plane in another lecture. So just take this point as this, just take this top plane as for now. So we will go for this top plane and we will, let's just say we are going to create a rectangle here at this point. Make sure it is normal to this. Always make sure that the your profile is normal to the path. So we have fulfilled the two condition of sweep, which is in sketch 1 we have our profile, we have our path like this, and in sketch 2 we have our profile. So make sure that you have created these two things in separate sketches. Okay, now we will go for this sweep based boss feature. The sweep property manager will open. See, there are two types of sweep: sketch profile and circular profile. So right now we have created a sketch, so we will choose this sketch profile, and our sketch, that is the profile, should is rectangle. So this selection box is highlighted, so we will select this point, this sketch. Now it is asking for the path, so we have already created this path as a sketch one. So what is happening is it actually it is actually tracking the path and it create a sweep of this shape of the rectangle. So you can see it is following the path, right? So I think it is clear for you also that what is happening right now. And we have other point also, so we will take care of this in other lectures. Let's just say sweep part 2 or part 3, because sweep is a large topic to discuss. So I think it is clear. Now what we can do, we can, as we have already done in our extrusion and revolve feature, we will use some let's just say sketch 2, where we have created this sketch profile. We go for it, and if we create another loop inside a major loop, what will happen, we already know that. Let's just say I'm going to make it large, like this. So what will happen if we create a loop inside a loop, it will be hollow, right? So we have created a hollow, and if we want to see this structure, we can see it is like this. It is cutting the profile of a circle, right? Understood? I think it is clear. Now what else we can do? See, the thing is we cannot use a open loop for sweep solid body. Okay, if we create this as a, let's just say I will trim this circle, and I will trim this line also. So it will, again what will happen is it is making a open loop. So a warning is activate in the SolidWorks. It is showing a path, and the path and a profile must be provided to define this. So the profile may not have more than one counter profile to make a solid sweep. Okay, all the counter must be closed and non-intersecting. I think it is understood that we have created an open loop. That is why the sweep one is failed, and that is why it is showing what's wrong. So it is clear, I think, and we will go for it. Uh, we will go for this sweep tool in other lectures also. There is another type of sweep is that is circular sweep. So circular sweep means if we know that we have a circular profile which is going to follow this path, so we don't need to create a sketch and draw a circle. We just create a profile like this. We just create a path like this, and we go for the circular profile, and it is asking for the path. So we will select the path like this, and it is asking for the diameter of the circle. So it will look like this. But in case if we have a hole or a pipe like structure, then will have to create a sketch of two circles like this. So circular, I think circular profile is clear. So if you have a solid circular profile, then you don't need to create a sketch and go and draw a circle for the profile. It's just that you have to create the path and go for the circular profile. Now, in case we have to create a tube-like structure of this, so what we need to do, we again go for the stroke plane. We go for the sketch. We at the end point, you can see there that at the end point we will create two circles like this, and we go for this one like this, and we will complete the sketch. Now this is our sketch, this is our profile. What we will do, we will go for this feature, sweep boss base, sketch profile. Sketch is this, right, and path is this. So it will look like this. I think it is clear, guys, and if you have any query, please do ask, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and we will come back with more tools of the sweep, with more understandable commands and other features of the sweep, revolve tool, twisting tool, and other things. So make sure you keep subscribe and keep learning. So thank you very much. Bye bye.